What's up guys, AK with DCC Train. In this video I'm going to show you how I'm controlling LED lights in this car. I use for conversion ESU light strip with the digital decoder because it's supporting DCC in Motorola, and this is very nice Roco car. I just need to figure out pickups, but this is just for testing purposes. So F2 will turn everything, and I change address. I'll do another video how to change address of the car. So F2 will turn everything on, but I have 4 zones starting with F3. This is ESU mobile control 2. So let's start with F3. All right. I like the color of the temperature, actually proper way of those LEDs. So then it's F4. Now it's F5 and F6. And of course you can remap everything. Looks great, very realistic. I never ride in the car like this. I'm thinking you can like just put some lights in a specific area. Um, Let me know in the comments if it's possible, like in real life. So, but if I'm just turning everything off, let's turn everything on, F2, and I just want to be using one section with the lights. So, very cool. There is like lightning effect, dimming. I probably won't go. They probably changed. Won't go with like fluorescent lights when they starting. I think they changed it everything to LED, so they really dimming. All right. Thanks for watching. That will be all for today. If you'd like to support channel, please join membership. Have a good one. Bye bye.